I remember by-hearting 1 to 50 and reciting it to every guest who came home just because I wanted to, but I didn't even know what it meant. Today, traditional schooling has taken a backseat thanks to preschool programs like Flintoclass at Home, where children are encouraged to gain a deeper understanding of concepts and given the freedom to explore multiple interests. So let me explain to you what exactly it means. Fllintoclass at Home is a preschool program that delivers everyday learning to your doorstep. Firstly, it's completely activity-based, so children learn through their favorite method, which is play. They sometimes don't even realize that they're learning. It's just happening for them. Secondly, no child is left behind. I feel this is really good because they have different learning styles and children are encouraged to do it independently. For me, this is a great skill to possess for children at that age. I would absolutely endorse it. Thirdly, all the learning material gets sent to your home, so the entire program is extremely easy to use. And you also have assistants to answer your questions, your queries. My kids love it. They wait for their sessions every day, and it's made my life so much interesting. I would 100% recommend Flintoclass at Home, and I think you shouldn't miss it. Enroll in Flintoclass at Home today.